Ever wondered how to create magnetic thumbnails for your Shopify dropshipping store? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the simple step-by-step process that will make your product images so captivating, customers won't be able to resist clicking. Firstly, it's all about quality. High-resolution images are a must. They give a professional impression and allow potential customers to see your product in all its glory. Start with a well-lit, clear photo of your product. No fancy equipment needed. A good smartphone camera will do the trick. Next up, it's time to think about composition. The rule of thirds is a classic photography guideline that can be applied here. Imagine your image divided into 9 equal parts by 2 equally spaced horizontal and 2 equally spaced vertical lines. The theory is that if you place points of interest along these lines or at the intersections, your image becomes more balanced and will enable a more natural interaction from the viewer. Now let's talk about color. Vibrant, contrasting colors can make your thumbnail pop and stand out amongst a sea of competitors. However, it's crucial to stay on brand. Make sure the colors you choose align with your store's overall aesthetic and branding. Once you've got your image, it's time to edit. There are plenty of editing tools out there, but a popular choice among Shopify users is Canva. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of features, you can easily add text, filters, and effects to your thumbnail. When adding text, remember, less is more. The text should be large enough to read and offer some insight into what the product is or why it's a must-have. It's also crucial to keep it consistent. Use the same font and style for all your thumbnails. After editing, it's time to upload your thumbnail to Shopify. Navigate to the product detail page, scroll down to the Images section, and click Upload an Image. Select your thumbnail and voila, your magnetic thumbnail is live. To summarize, creating magnetic thumbnails involves high-quality images, thoughtful composition, strategic use of color, minimal text, and consistent styling. By following these steps, you'll transform your Shopify dropshipping store into a visually appealing hub that attracts and retains customers. Remember, your thumbnail is the first impression customers have of your product. Make it count.